welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So by the way, my name is John Francis Esta, based in Criminology and University of Mindanao. So for today's vlog, tackle about the injuries in wounds. Wounds are injuries that break the skin or other body tissues. They include cuts, scrapes, scratches, and punctured skin. They often happen because of an accident. But surgery, sutures, and stitches also cause wounds. Minor wounds usually aren't serious, but it is important to clean them. Serious and infected wounds may require first aid, followed by a visit to your doctor. You should also seek attention if the wound is deep. You cannot close yourself. You cannot stop the bleeding or get the dirt out, or it doesn't not heal. 4 types of open wounds, which are classified depending on their cause: abrasion, laceration, puncture, avulsion. Abrasion. An abrasion occurs when your skin rubs or scrubs against a rough or hard surface. Road rash is an example of an abrasion. There's usually not a lot of bleeding, but the wound needs to be scrubbed and cleaned to avoid infection. A laceration is a deep cut or tearing of your skin. Accidents with knives, tools, and machinery are frequent causes of laceration. In the case of deep laceration, bleeding can be rapid and extensive. Puncture. A puncture is a small hole caused by a long, pointy object, such as a nail or needle. Sometimes, a bullet can cause a puncture wound. Avulsion. An avulsion is a partial or complete tearing away of skin and the tissue beneath. Avulsions usually occur during violent accidents, such as body crashing accidents, explosions, and gunshots. They bleed heavily and rapidly. An injury is damage to your body. It is a general term that refers to harm caused by accidents, falls, hits, weapons, and more. These injuries range from minor to life-threatening. Injuries can happen at work or play, indoors or outdoors, driving a car or walking across the street. Other common types of injuries include animal bites, bruises, burns, dislocations, electrical injuries, fractures, sprains, and strains. Animal bites. Wild animals usually avoid people. They might attack, however, if they feel threatened, are sick, or are protecting their young or territory. Attacks by pets are more common. Animal bites rarely are life-threatening, but if they become infected, you can develop serious medical problems. Bruises. A bruise is a mark on your skin caused by blood trapped under the surface. It happens when an injury crushes a small blood vessel but does not break the skin. Those vessels break open and leak blood under the skin. Burns. A burn is damage to your body's tissues caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, sunlight, or radiation. Scalds from hot liquids and steam. Building fires and flammable liquids and gases are common cause of burns. Another kind is an inhalation injury caused by breathing smoke. Dislocations. Dislocations are joint injuries that force the ends of your bones out of position. The cause is often of a fall or a blow, sometimes from playing contact sports. Electrical injuries. When you come in direct contact with electricity, it can pass through your body and cause injuries. These electrical injuries can be external or internal. Fractures. A fracture is a break, usually in a bone. If the broken bone punctures the skin, it is called an open or compound fracture. Fractures commonly happen because of car accidents, falls, or sports injuries. Sprains and strains. A sprain is a stretch or torn Ligament. Ligaments are tissues that connect bones at a joint. Falling, twisting, or getting hit can all cause a sprain. Ankle and wrist sprains are common. Symptoms include pain, swelling, bruising, and being unable to move your joint. You might feel a pop or tear when the injury happens. A strain is a stretch or torn muscle or tendon. Tendons are tissues that connect muscles to bone. Twisting or pulling these tissues can cause a strain. The strain can happen suddenly or develop over time. Symptoms include pain, muscle spasms, swelling, and trouble moving the muscle.